Hey guys, I get too amped up and excited, and I stop paying attention to what I'm doing, and then I end up getting stuck in a freaking tree. Happens to me more often than I'd like to admit, and I am all fricked up in there. I'm gonna fall over. I got all over my line. I got stuff all over my line. What is going on here? Come on. Alright, so the wind started to pick up, so that might actually help me with the indicator being on there. Although I might have already caught all the fish in this hole. Who knows? So I've had a pretty awesome morning. Even though that looks like a bite right there. I should have set. Fish. So I didn't catch them all yet. Oh my gosh. What is going on in here, y'all? Unbelievable. I thought I was gonna jump. Yeah. Pretty unbelievable day we're off to right here. How does she kick over there? Yeah, baby. That's another nice trout. My arm is gonna be tired. This thing is fired up. I should probably check my tippet after this. Oh, yes! Check this thing out, y'all. Later, baby. Alright, we're gonna get back in here because this is pretty freaking unbelievable. I don't know how many fish there could possibly be in here, but I'm gonna try to catch them all. Fish. Man, how many fish was that? I moved up and started fishing the top of this. We got another one. I might already. No, I didn't catch that fish already. That thing's fat. Man, we're in them today.